Hey everybody. I just wanted to share with you some of the tools that we have pushed out for staff and students to use over this break. The first one is Google Meet. You can find it by clicking on your little squares. And if you scroll down, you can see Meet. Go ahead and click on that. And I'll give you a little walkthrough of what this looks like. And then in another video, I'm going to explain how you can not only use it here and kind of share it out simply, I'm going to show you how to implement it in Google Classroom and kind of automate the process if you would like to use this. So we're just going to simply join or start a meeting. It's going to ask us what we want to name it. We'll just name this one test. Click continue. It's going to take a second here and it's going to load up a little page. At this time, you might see a little pop-up in the top left corner asking to use your microphone and your camera. Go ahead and say yes to those. And then what it's trying to do is going to load a little test page here. And you can see the camera starting up. You can mute the microphone, turn off the camera here. You can see the name of our meeting. You can see that no one else has joined the meeting, but we're going to go ahead and join our meeting. You'll hear the little chime. That means you've joined, and it's going to be loading up a little page here. There it is. It's called Test is our meeting. And then this gives you a shareable link if you'd like to use that to send out, and you can add people. But I'll show you an easier way. You can also email out this link if you'd like to share that link into Google Classroom that they can jump in. You'd have to tell them what time that is. They can dial in with this number and then use the PIN. And so students who might not have internet access or limited internet access, this is a way for them to use a landline or a cell phone to call in, and they can connect with this meeting through audio. So that might be a feature that would be needed for a lot of our students. Here you can see who's connected. This is a little chat bubble, so you can talk to the students that have joined the meeting. You can click out of that to close it. You can turn on captions here. You can see once other students join, they will start to show up here. You can change that layout of how this looks by going into here and changing the layout. Once multiple students join, it will also give you the opportunity to record the class. And this is the microphone to mute yourself, to turn off your camera. Then let me slide myself over out of the way here. I want to show you one last little thing. You can add an attachment here. So if you had a Google document that you wanted to share, or sheets or anything like that, you can share that through here. And anybody in the meeting, obviously with a computer, can get that attachment from the meeting. So this is a simple little walkthrough. The last thing I need to show you actually is if you want to not only just talk like we are here, and you want to present what you're doing on your screen to everyone in the meeting, you need to hit the Present Now button and then pick the desktop or whatever tab you're using. It'll give you that option and you can present that out. But that should be a simple little walkthrough to get you started with Google Meet. To end the conference, just simply click the red button and we've now left the meeting. I hope this helps, and I'll be sharing out another video to show you how to implement this in Google Classroom in your calendar.